Has the camera bump like iPhone. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to Extra Online, and this is me Bhaskar. So let's start the video. So guys, finally Motorola launched Moto Edge 20 series smartphone, Motorola Edge 20 and Motorola Edge 20 Fusions, where you'll get iPhone experience, because this Motorola Edge 20 Fusion smartphone has the camera bump setup like iPhone setup. And on Motorola Edge 20 there you will get iPhone Edge card, where you get iPhone 12 Pro Max experience in this Motorola Edge 20 smartphones. So guys, let me tell you at what price Motorola launched these two smartphones. So guys, Moto Edge 20 Fusions launched at 21,500 rupees, where you will get iPhone experience, because it has camera bump like iPhone. Yeah. And here the beautiful Edge card design Moto Edge 20 smartphone launched at 29,999 rupees, where you'll get a lot of good specifications too. So let me move on the specifications, and I'll tell you at what are the specifications you can see in these two devices. So guys, here Moto Edge 20 Fusion smartphones comes with 108 megapixel triple camera on the back side, and it has 32 MP selfie camera on the front side. And this Moto Edge 20 Fusion smartphones comes with 90 Hz AMOLED panel, which is really great. And this Moto Edge 20 smartphones also comes with 5000 mAh big battery and with 30 watt fast charger, so which is really great at this price segment. The device, so it comes with 5G chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset, which is okay with this price at 21,000 rupees. But here the main focus is the camera, so because this smartphone is camera centric smartphone and looks, especially I like the looks and design, is especially the 108 MP megapixel the iPhone setup camera and 32 MP selfie camera, which I like, and Super AMOLED and Dimensity 800 chipset, which is also a really powerful chipset at this price. And I forgot to tell you, it's 6GB plus 128 GB. Best variant price is 21,500 rupees, which is really great at this design, quality, camera, processor, everything is just fine, and I really like the price and design especially. And guys, let's move on to the big brother, means Moto Edge 20 smartphones, which has like Edge card design like iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you'll get iPhone 12 Pro Max Edge card design in this Moto Edge 20 smartphone. Guys, here with this Moto Edge 20 you will get iPhone Edge card experience. You might not get the full experience, but however Motorola trying to give the Edge card design experience with this Moto Edge series smartphone. So my dear friend, do you feel or not iPhone Edge card experience with this Moto Edge 20 smartphone? Please let me know in the comment section below. But I feel the iPhone experience with this Moto Edge 20 smartphone. So guys, here let me move on to the specifications. So guys, here 8GB plus 128 GB price is 29,999 rupees, means 30,000 rupees, where you'll get Snapdragon 778G chipset, this 6nm chipset, and its Antutu score is almost 5 lakhs, which is really powerful chipset, and it is a 5G device, so it's a really powerful chipset. And this Moto Edge 20 comes with 108 megapixel triple camera, where you'll get 16MP wide angle and 8MP telephoto lens, so which is a really great camera setup in this price segment, and also has 32MP selfie camera on the front side. And this Moto Edge 20 smartphones comes with 144 Hz Super AMOLED panel, which is really great, and it comes with 4000 mAh big battery along with 30 watt fast charging support. So my dear friend, what do you think about these two smartphones? you like or not, please let me know in the comment section below. And hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel to watch my video. So until then, bye bye, see you and keep tracking.